So when you're starting a knitting project, the first thing you want to do is cast on. And to begin casting on, you need to create a slip knot. So you make a little O with the yarn and pull a loop through. And that's the slip knot. And that's the first stitch of your project. So you slide that on to the needle that's going to sit in your left hand. And you take your right needle, it goes through the loop and underneath the left needle. And you're going to wrap the yarn around, pull it through, and you kind of want to hold this first stitch in place. As you do this, take this new loop that's on your right needle, twist it like that, and let that left needle go through the loop. And then everything just falls onto the left needle. I like to pull the stitches a little bit as I go through to make sure that they're not getting too loose. Then you just do the same thing again. Pull a stitch through, twist, and let everything fall onto the left needle. So, right needle goes underneath, yarn over, pull the yarn through, twist, and let everything fall on the left needle. So it's the same thing over and over. And you want to create however many stitches wide your project is going to be. So I'm just going to do 10. So again, right needle goes underneath the left, yarn goes over, you pull the yarn through, then you twist your right hand yarn and let it fall onto the left needle. And this gets much quicker the more you practice it. It's just a little bit intimidating at first. So this is stitch number 10. Wrap yarn around, pull a little loop, twist that loop, and let everything fall on the left hand needle. So I've got 10 stitches all the way across. And now that you've cast it on, it's time to learn how to do the knit stitch.